Hello. My wife's currently going through perimenopause. And there's many symptoms of perimenopause. All women will experience different symptoms of different intensities. But one of my wife's biggest symptoms that I've come to realize is irritation. Things that once upon a time never bothered her now make her homicidal. Just this morning I was editing a video. That dinging sound that she could hear through my headphones made her want to stab me in the throat. So a message to all the fellas out there. All those sounds that you once upon a time made that were just innocent and harmless. Breathing loudly, chewing loudly, thinking loudly, blinking loudly. Either minimize them or just don't do them anymore. It could possibly save your marriage. Bye.